Hi everybody, welcome to Gaga's Cooking. And today we're going to make a strawberry tart. I love this dessert because you can make it quickly, and if you've got a lot to do, it's such a pretty dessert. And it's called my name, Gaga's Fluffy Strawberry Tart. And it simply has strawberries, whipped topping, and angel food cake. And it's so hard to do because you take the angel food cake and you just drop it in pieces and just drop it in your bowl. I'm going to use it tomorrow, and it really, by the time we eat it tomorrow after church, it'll be just perfect because the strawberries sink down into the cake. Just put all the strawberries you want to. I love these tart dishes. Every time I buy one of my children takes it home with them, and I end up buying another one, and I've done it again. Nobody ever sees my tart dishes, but they disappear. Now, I always put a few like that so that they'll show on the outside. Some more cake. I remember when I was young, we would go strawberry picking, and my mother would say, "I'll tell you what, you go pick some strawberries, and I'll make an angel food cake." And because we lived on the farm, and we did. But we also had a patch of white strawberries. Now that's very rare, and not everybody's seen them, but they tasted just like the red ones, but they were sort of a rarity, and we loved when we found the patches of white strawberries. Okay. Strawberries again. Now, if you notice, these have got a little bit of liquid in them. What I did about an hour ago, I put a little bit of sugar in them. If you do that, it sort of makes its own little liquid. And so I didn't put on all of them, but I put on the ones in the middle. It's just a little added something. Wipe my hands off. I think now that spring has come, everybody wants to think about spring desserts with strawberries and blueberries and everything. It's just that time of year. Now, at this point, I'm going to put the cake and the whipped cream, but not the strawberries. I'm going to save those till in the morning before I serve the cake. I'll put the slice of my strawberries on it, just because it looks prettier that way. This way I can put a cling wrap on it or something like that, and it doesn't mess it up. And then in the morning, before lunch, I'll put the rest of the strawberries on it. See, I have plenty of strawberries left. Okay. Well, that wasn't a big dessert, was it? It didn't take a lot of time. And you see how pretty it looks all the way around. There's several really pretty desserts you can make in this dish. We'll do another one sometime. Well, this is Gagajoy. We've had a good day, and have a good Sunday. And always remember the joy. Sometimes I forget to say it, but we need to find joy in every day. See you soon.